Hey Spices! So in today's video we are going to be making cheeseburger soup in the Instant Pot. If you want to know how to make it, let's go spice things up.
The first ingredients I'm going to use is celery, a small onion, and carrots. And I'm just going to chop them up really small in my 4-in-1 chopper. I love this thing, it works great. I'm not sponsored, but it'll be low. And the next ingredient is some hamburger. This is just 1 pound of hamburger. You'll just want to saute your hamburger meat. I like to break mine up a little bit so it cooks down evenly. Now we are just adding our chopped vegetables in the pan as it cooks. And then we just want to go ahead and stir all those ingredients together so they cook evenly. The next ingredient is you want to mince 2 to 3 garlic cloves and put them right in the pan as well. Stir it up. The next ingredient we are adding is some chicken broth. I like to add 2 cups of chicken broth right to the Instant Pot, and of course you can add more than that. And then we are adding some crushed salt and pepper, basically to taste. We will continue to stir this up so nothing burns at the bottom. Next, we are going to add our herbs, which are parsley and basil. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of parsley and 1 teaspoon of basil. And then, of course, once again, stir all your ingredients together. Next, we are going to take about 6 potatoes and peel them, and then we are going to chop them and put them right in the Instant Pot as well. And of course, you want to take your potatoes and kind of push them down in the liquid so that they are all submerged in the liquid, just like this. Next, we are going to take our lid and put it on and make sure it's on sealing, not venting, sealing. And we're going to turn it on soup broth button, and we're going to cook it for 12 minutes. And after it has been naturally releasing, we are going to go ahead and press that button so it releases all the way. Open it up, and as you can see, it has been cooking nicely. Now we're going to stir it up again, of course, just so that nothing burns at the bottom. Now we're going to take sour cream, and we're going to add about a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Next, we are adding heavy whipping cream. We are going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Go ahead and stir everything together. This kind of cools down the soup a little bit so that you can add your cheese and that the cheese doesn't burn at the bottom. We are going to add 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. I like sharp cheddar cheese because it is a stronger flavor. Go ahead and stir all those ingredients together. And once the cheese is melted, your soup is done and you are ready to eat. Enjoy.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Bye, and see you in the next video.